nagkaroon in 2003, the first outbreak in Korea. Since then, hanggang ngayon, we're still free from AI. And we should be thankful to our countrymen and first and foremost to God. We are happy kasi we're finalizing the avian influenza preparedness program. So we are consulting everybody in the industry bago ma-finalize. Kasi once it was finalized, hindi na mababago to.
Since 2014, ito na yung countries have reported H5N1 case. So for Asia, you have a long list there. Bhutan, Cambodia, China, DPRK, India, Indonesia, Israel.
Sa loob ng Philippines, wala pa. But there are so many risks like the migration of wild birds from neighboring countries like China. Countries sa backdoor in the south, na probably doon pwedeng pumasok yung smuggled wild birds like mga parrots or mynas. Ini-smuggle inside our country, coming from Indonesia or probably Malaysia.
Yung countries na endemic na yung H5N1 na naging lax na sila sa pag-treat nung sa virus. What's the yung sa human health, yung nila approach na naging lax na rin ba sila? Kasi medyo alarming yun eh.
Ang Indonesia continues this yung participatory disease surveillance and response. Meron pa rin sila nun yung village to village. So pag na-report, i-report nila sa vet services nila. Tapos tsaka pa lang sila sa surveillance.
So pag hindi yan makontrol, it will pose a great threat to our country. Baka magka-AI tayo in the Philippines. If a certain area is infected with AI, within 1 kilometer radius, all the birds will be slaughtered and killed. Ibabaon yon. But there's no program yet paano babayaran o babayaran ba yung mga owners ng manok na yon. And then within the after 1 kilometer, 7 kilometer monitoring zone, i-check doon ngayon lahat ng manok. There will be no transit or movement of birds in that area. Assuming after 1 kilometer radius, meron na namang infection, another 1 kilometer na naman yung i-slaughter within that area. So talagang mahirap yan. So everybody has to cooperate. Otherwise, economy natin magsasama.
In the poultry sector, thank you very much for cooperating. We maintain the freedom from this dreaded pathogenic avian influenza.
Sana everybody should cooperate, follow the rules on importation, that we should not import and buy products that are coming from infested with AI countries. So, obedience lang sa law and quarantine procedures.